Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Zoom virtual background without green screen. So, if you want to look professional or creative on your Zoom meetings without using a green screen, you can follow my steps in here to set up and use Zoom's virtual background seamlessly even if you don't have a green screen. So, Zoom virtual backgrounds are perfect for personalizing your calls and improving privacy. And you can learn to use this feature effectively without using a green screen through this video. So, let's just launch the Zoom app. So the Zoom is changed its name into a Zoom Workplace, and some features are not the same with the older version of Zoom app, and here including the virtual background there are some changes that you need to know. So let's just tap on the new meeting to start using a Zoom virtual background without green screen. You can tap on start a new meeting or join a meeting if you have a meeting link.